Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for NASDAQ SPX and Dow Jones price prediction based on Elliott Wave analysis. We have mentioned in our intraday for the 1 hour and the 15-minute chart that the wave 2 here has been taken as a target, but we still can't get, of course, three waves. Don't forget that this is just single one candle, I would say, for one single wave, which is still can be an ABC there, especially that we are looking for higher prices again and in five waves which are looking diagonal. And that means those five waves might be a leading diagonal one, two, three, four, and a five on the 15-minute chart. One, two, three, four, and a five again. For a wave C in a wave two, meaning larger wave two, especially that this wave two is very, very fast, guys. So, by all means, the wave 2 is still there. Don't forget also our perfect fib levels. It's another testing area as well where we might hit it sooner or later. And of course, regarding the timing here, you would like to see anyway the wave 2 as a timing, you would like to see this time hit there. And that's why I was mentioning also that it is still very likely that we might get three waves because this move here didn't hit even the minimum requirement time there. That's why we're coming back towards the upside in a wave two before we push towards the downside again and then open for a wave three. But we have to be careful as well at the same time because currently the bullish and the bearish, both case scenario, are playing a push towards the upside, meaning the bullish, you are also in a one, two, three here 4 and a 5. While the bearish is an ABC, which is still also looking for higher. But here where we have to be careful, where the price enters at the perfect fib levels and hit the time required. And then, of course, we might see a weakness there. If we don't see a weakness and we see a breakout here of this area, okay, then the wave 3 is unfolding. And your target for wave 3, by the way, let's give it here as a potential wave 3 diagonal. So I'm gonna make this a little bit much more, guys. Here we go. So we're looking here at those targets in confluence. So 0.618 is taken, so I'm gonna remove this. We have also this one is out because the impulse was invalidated. We don't have impulse anymore. Currently, we're looking for this blue box and also another large blue box inside this area. So the confluence target might be, of course, the 31K 264 in case we are bullish, guys. In case we are bullish. So critical area key level is definitely this area 30K. I would say 30K is very, very psychological as well. So we might see a reaction there. We'll see, guys. If this happens, then that would be it for the bearish scenario. That was it for NASDAQ. If we take a look at SPX or US 500, so basically we are testing still this area after an impulse one, two, three, four, and a 5, a wave 1, and we're testing here an ABC. So this is your wave C there as a one, two, three, four, 5. It is supposed to be finished today. We see a lot of volatility again. So this volatility, as you can see, it is something, I would say, preparing for something very interesting. Whether we drop very massively or we push higher again. So yeah, you can say it is a battle there. This consolidation, it is a battle between the bulls and bears, guys. So we still need a decision there. I don't see yet the signal of strength from my perfect fib level for a wave two. It's still missing here this signal of strength. So I would say be careful. Yeah, things can still drop down maybe. So we'll see. It can even just one more move here and then pushing for higher again. Since we got a new low, wave 5 can be confirmed and finished here. Wave 3, and I'm looking for a wave 4. Now, currently, your wave 4 should be, of course, taking those targets there as a wave 4 impulse here, uh, wave 4 impulse. So we are looking here. I'm gonna clean up a little bit since we have hit this target here. So I'm looking. We're gonna yeah, we're gonna keep only the 0.618. I'm gonna clean up this. So basically, we're looking here for this red zone as well. Okay, for this red zone, which is an alternation as well with this wave 2, so I'm expecting also a wave 4. The problem here, the problem anyway, if we are impulsive and not an ABC, which is higher probability, the ABC, your invalidation is very close, guys. Yeah, so your invalidation is very, very close. So I cannot really consider this as a wave 3. Yeah, so it's very high probability that this is a wave C, guys. So we'll see. But the fear is, what if we transform to double one, two, and then three, four, five, four, five? This is your fear for a bearish. Bullish, we're still in a wave 3, and that means your target for wave 3 here is a 1, 2, and we're looking for a diagonal wave 3. That means, of course, in confluence, we still have this target here in a blue zone. So yeah, I would say this is the expanding flat. I'm gonna remove this. So this is my next target, but it's not the final. So we still have 4 and a 5. Yeah, so we still can get even the 7K $730. Yeah, so yeah, we still have to see what we're gonna have. It's a price decision, guys. Yeah, it's a price decision. Is it gonna be bullish or is it gonna be bearish? So take care and trade safe with this one, guys. For Dow Jones on the 1 hour chart, we're looking as well for something very, very strong. Why? Because most of NASDAQ and SPX were dropping a little bit, even not very strong, but Dow Jones is something very special, I would say. ABC is still there, and still can be unfolding for ABC expanding flat, double scenario in an expanding flat. So I'm gonna put this in the white. So for the white scenario, you have an A, B, and a C here, testing the potential 1, 2, and then pushing for higher. Another larger expanding flat, meaning 3 ways down, 3 ways up for a wave B also, and then pushing for the 1.618 for the 50K. So this is bullish. This one is bullish, and this one is bearish. Now, I have mentioned in the intraday, if we don't take the confirmation for higher, meaning if the price doesn't push for higher again and take the high at 52K 640, then okay, it's a red flag. This zone will be, of course, required. We will take it also from that zone. We'll see if any signal of strength will be given from here. If it is given 5 ways up, 3 down, pushing for higher, if this is confirmed, 1 to 1 fib level is next step. If broken, green flag 1.618 wave 3, meaning 4 and a 5. We're looking, of course, to something continuation toward the upside. Yeah, so that was it for Dow Jones, NASDAQ, and SPX. Guys, trade safe with it. Very tricky. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye-bye. Before you leave, make sure to join our private Discord community. There you will get daily updates faster than YouTube, plus exclusive bonus trading signals for the gold, silver, Bitcoin, and stocks. You can also request one special technical analysis every day and get access even to our only members video on YouTube and also on Discord. And stay ahead, of course, with economic and political news that actually moves the market. And of course, we do regular Q&A sessions, so you can get your questions answered directly in the Discord. And of course, if you're serious about leveling your trading, the Discord link is below in the description and in the comments. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.